How to avoid customer to approach builder directly? Very, very good question, this one. How to avoid customer approach the builder directly? For this, you need to establish a very good relationship with the customer. Okay, why will a customer go to a builder in the first place? He will think that if I go to a builder directly, I can save on brokerage amount. Okay, I need not have to pay brokerage. So I may get a special pricing and all that. So you need to make it very clear to him even without his asking. By going through me, sir, please don't be under the impression that you need to pay me brokerage. I'm going to do this free service for you. Okay, tell him that. Number two, I will be very, very transparent in this. For me, selling to for me, buyer is important. You need to tell the buyer that you are very important for me than the seller, right? You tell him why you are important to me, because I have got more than 50 properties with me as an inventory, and I will be able to satisfy your requirement, and I am not necessarily going to oversell this property. What can a developer do? A developer can hide certain information to you, right? The property may have certain deficiencies. Okay, that deficiency, I will know about it. I'll be very transparent to you, to the buyer. Okay, rather than the developer being transparent. The developer wants to sell his property. So whatever deficiencies which are there, he will always hide it. Okay, example, there could be a graveyard next to the property. Example, Southern Crest in Bangalore. If Bangalore agents will understand, Sri Ram Southern Crest, which is there in JP Nagar, Saraki. Very next to that property building, there is a graveyard which is available. It is Christian's graveyard where they bury the body. Okay, but that is not being highlighted by them. They will not even disclose that. If the buyer identifies on his own, there are people who have rejected that property, cancelled the property booking after purchasing, after they noticed that there was a graveyard. Okay, but as a real estate agent, you can tell that such things we will not hide. We will tell you it is available, it is there. In spite of that graveyard, if you are willing to go ahead and purchase, that is your call. But I have not hidden any information. So you must be exposing your transparency to him, make him aware that I am going to be very, very transparent to you. It is better to deal with me than with the builder. Okay, if you say like this, he will respect your thoughts and he will say, yeah, what he says is right. And he will always go through. His concern is only whether you are going to take brokerage from him. Okay, and he might think that by going to the developer, he might get at a better price than you. You always tell him that doing with me is better because I know the rock bottom price at which they will be selling at. Okay, they will be quoting one price, and in the negotiation they will come down and give you at a price, right? But I know at what price they are actually selling. Also tell him that the salespeople are incentivized on how high they are able to sell. Okay, for example, if the property pricing is quoted at 80 lakhs, right? They have got a rock bottom price of 75 lakhs. The salespeople are trained to sell it at 77, 78, 79, or 79 and a half, right? The better they are able to sell, the incentives are better for the salespeople. So because of this reason, they will not be willing to give you at 75 lakhs. Okay, whereas if you go through me, right, I know that they can give it at 75 lakhs. So I will tell you that I can get you at 75 lakhs. Okay, and you will be able to get him at 75 lakhs because you know the pricing. So this way you need to convince the buyer and then avoid him from going to a builder directly. Okay, this is how you need to handle the buyers.